Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric rotary dial candlestick telephone, and this is Carlos's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done to this unit. This candlestick telephone does not have any wiring on the inside of the unit. It also does not have a transmitter. It has the old transmitter diaphragm that Carlos sent in, and it's right here by the rotary dial, but there's no other working parts to the transmitter. So we are going to install an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, and you will have plenty of transmit power with that electronic amplified transmitter. The receiver capsule may look old, and it is old, but it is the type of receiver capsule that takes a receiver element out of like a 500 set or a 2500 set in a G-style handset. So it is not the receiver capsule type that you could utilize a metal diaphragm receiver, and that diaphragm is right here, but it's not going to be used because that's not the type of receiver capsule that this unit has. Also, the cloth cord is not connected to anything, and Carlos also sent in a line cord for the candlestick telephone, but it needs to be wired into place and configured. So we need to rewire this telephone, and then we need to connect our line cord, and we also need to connect our receiver capsule cloth cord. So there's going to be a lot of work involved in this candlestick telephone. Now the finger wheel is loose, and the number card for the finger wheel, that bracket for the finger wheel, is also not sitting properly, and it's not attaching properly to the finger wheel. So we'll take care of that issue. We also need to go through the rotary dial. We need to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. It's very sluggish, and so we'll take care of all of those issues. We also want to take a look at the hook switch. That's going to need to be cleaned and adjusted and connected up into the configuration of the wiring, because there is no wiring for this telephone at this point. We will be going through everything on this telephone while it's in the shop, so we'll take care of any issues that we find. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric rotary dial candlestick telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting of this really cool candlestick telephone. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs and conversion of this really cool Western Electric rotary dial candlestick telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers, so if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now what we want to do is go ahead and transmit into the Candlestick telephone. I'm pretty far back away from this unit, and you can see this red light on the analyzer. That's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. I'll go ahead and tap on the spit cup, and as you can see, that light gets pretty bright. So you will have no problem with the transmit power. Go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that this unit is dialing out, we have receive and transmit. We can go ahead and move our line cord over to a line out, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Friday, January 19th. The current time, 4 p.m.
Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric rotary dial candlestick telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Carlos and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.